Good evening, everyone. His Excellency, President of the Republic of Maldives, Dr. Mohammad Moizu, Madam First Lady Sajda Mohammed, His Excellency, Vice President of Republic of Maldives, Mr. Mohammad Latif, His Excellency, Speaker of the People's Majlis of Maldives, Mr. Abdul Rahim Abdullah, His Excellency, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maldives, Dr. Abdullah Khalil, Excellency, Minister of Transport and Civil Aviation, Maldives, Mr. Mohammad Amin, His Excellency, Minister of Construction and Infrastructure, Mr. Abdullah Muttalib, Honorable Ministers, Members of the Cabinet, Honorable Members of Parliament, dignitaries and officials from the Government of Maldives, High Commissioner of India, special delegates from India, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskaram, Assalamu Alaikum. Congratulations to the Government of Maldives and people of Maldives on this historic and momentous occasion. On behalf of me and my Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, it is a matter of great honor and satisfaction to be here today in the beautiful northern atoll of Hanimadu as I join you for the joint inauguration of the new Hanimadu International Airport. I see this project as not just a symbol of infrastructural progress, but also the enduring partnership between India and the Maldives. This moment stands as a testament to the shared vision of our two nations, a vision rooted in friendship, trust, and mutual respect. It is even more special as we celebrate 60 years of our diplomatic relations this year. At the outset, I would like to thank all concerned authorities of the Maldives, especially Ministry of Construction, for extending necessary facilitation and enabling environment for the timely completion of the project. My compliments to our project partner, Kalpataru Projects International Limited, for their splendid efforts. India and the Maldives share a relationship that is steeped deeply in history and culture. Our strong ties are defined by robust people-to-people connections and by the shared commitment to peace, stability, and prosperity in the Indian Ocean region. The recent visits by the two leaders of two countries have contributed strongly to the momentum of our bilateral relations. Under the leadership of His Excellency Dr. Moiz and my Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, our bilateral partnership has evolved into a truly multi-dimensional one, which is guided by the spirit of India's neighborhood first policy and Modi ji's vision, Mahasagar, which is mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth across regions. Development cooperation has emerged as a key pillar of our multifaceted partnership. Through grants, concessional credits, budgetary support, and capacity building initiatives, India is proud to contribute to the Maldives' national development priorities in the fields of housing, health, renewable energy, water, sanitation, and now in transport and aviation infrastructure. The Hanimadu International Airport expansion, for which we have all gathered here today, is one of the flagship projects under India's developmental assistance, and it reflects India's commitment to partner with Maldives for its inclusive and sustainable growth. The new airport terminal, designed as a manta ray, is indeed an architectural marvel, and its beauty resonates the Maldivian way of life, culture, and tradition. I am confident that the Hanimadu Airport will further open up the northern Maldives to India and the wider region of the world, becoming a new hub for people-to-people contacts and prosperity. The increased capacity of the airport to handle approximately 1.3 million passengers per year will certainly boost investors' confidence, increase tourism exponentially, including from India, and also benefit the fishing industry in Hanimadu and the northern atolls bringing broader economic gains to the local community. As someone born in a coastal village in Nimmada, which is in northern Andhra, Srikakulam, I feel a special connection standing here today in one of the most beautiful countries of the world. Today's project will give new wings to the long standing connection of familiarity and friendship between our two countries. I am glad that more such developmental projects will be initiated under the newly approved line of credit worth $565 million, which will further deepen our bilateral cooperation. I am, in fact, particularly happy to share that in Malé, I was delighted to see that our flagship projects, the Greater Malé Connectivity Project, is now visible above the sea level and progressing well. I am hopeful that the projects at Gan Airport, MIFCO expansion will also be concluded at the earliest. As Maldives continues its journey for expansion of its economy, India stands ready to work hand in hand in expanding trade and investment corridors. Towards this endeavor, we are looking towards an early conclusion of the bilateral free trade agreement and a bilateral investment treaty. Connectivity is a prerequisite for an inclusive and equitable development. It also finds resonance in India's philosophical wisdom of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the entire world is one family. India-Maldives connectivity has always been at the heart of our bilateral relations. Enhanced air connectivity is transforming how our people, businesses, and ideas are moving. India's UDAN initiative, which has revolutionized regional aviation within India by making air travel accessible and affordable, shares the same spirit as the airport expansion project, which is connecting communities, spurring tourism, and driving economic development. With new air routes between India and Maldives steadily growing, we are bringing the skies between our two countries much closer. Maldives has set an inspiring example for the world in seaplane operations, a pioneering model of inter-island connectivity that blends innovation, efficiency, and environmental sensitivity. India, with its vast coastline and island territories, can draw valuable lessons from Maldives' experience in operating one of the largest seaplane networks in the entire world. We look forward to deeper cooperation in this domain, including technology transfer, safety protocols to training, and tourism linkages, which could help India further enhance regional air mobility to its own coastal and island regions. Finally, I would like to invite and encourage the business communities of both our countries to seize the opportunities presented by our excellent bilateral relations. Projects such as the Hanimadu International Airport create not just infrastructure, but ecosystems of trade, travel, and technology. Indian enterprises bring experience, innovation, and a spirit of partnership. Maldivian entrepreneurs bring local knowledge, dynamism, and vision. Together, they can share a future of shared prosperity. Governments can be facilitators, but it is you, the businesses and industry, that can bring the real change to these countries. Excellencies and friends, once again, my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. As we look at this magnificent infrastructure facility today, we see more than an airport terminal. We see the runway of a renewed partnership ready to take off into the future. May the skies between India and Maldives always remain open, friendly, and full of promises. Jai Hind, Dhanyavad, Shukriya.